Hi everyone, it just arrived today. I ordered a camera from Amazon. Let's see what I got here. Oh, nice. A cheap one, but it's looking quite nice. To start with, let's just see what is inside. Okay. Another cable. Wow. Okay, here we go. Oh, amazing, man. Well, this one is quite small, 36 megapixels. It's a nice one to start, I don't know, with making movies or for your YouTube channel. For the price, it's quite a nice camera. It's coming with a remote control, another cable, I think, to charge or to move your video or laptop. Also, very interesting thing is the micro that you can attach to the camera. Well, I'm not going to do it now, but it's a stereo microphone. Okay. Then with this lens that are amazing. I hope so. And 2 batteries. That is quite nice. So yeah, the price was very nice, around $80. So it's almost nothing for this camera. Just share this video, subscribe, and I will come back with the testing of the camera.